Hey, what's up, friends? Thanks for stopping by. This buddy here, and I'm on the sales page of Unlimited Cash Deliveries. This is the replicated website that you get as a member of Unlimited Cash Deliveries. And just going here, that's a sales video there. And I've already showed this to you guys. Basically, just shows how this program works. This is a sister program of Best Easy Work. And we do back office work. So in order to get to back office, you're going to go to the email that you registered with. Be sure to check in the spam part of your email if you don't see it in there, and be sure to check the spam email because it very well could be in there. And I'm going to kind of walk you guys through on where to go to get set up with direct deposit, and I'm going to do it the best of my ability. So if I do anything that throws you off, just remember the owner of this program. He's very very good about answering questions. And on your website here, he has his phone number on there. He takes calls through the business days, Monday through is it Saturday, I believe. Um, but he does have his phone number on here. My page isn't phone. It's my internet. It's not the page because there's a lot of people connected right now. So in order to get to your back office, go to your email, get the login details, using the username that you chose, and plus the password. If you already have your sales page, you can also log in right here. You can log in right here and click the login, and that will go to your back office also. Since I already have my back office pulled up, I'm not going to go. I'm not going to go in there. Back office right here. This is what the back office looks like. Okay, so do a little tour. All right, so if you're a free member, it's going to say that you're a free member. I'm a $500 member level, so that means a position to earn at that level, 350 and lower. So 70% of 500 is 350. Okay, so we have two different programs, Best Easy Work and Unlimited Cash Delivery Postcards. For Best Easy Work, just complete payroll. And so right here, it has the link for Best Easy Work. You can share this link and earn $25 for anybody that decides to join. Right here, it'll show your username, and this is your Best Easy Work link. You can share this, go get a URL shortener or go get a domain, and you can share this domain. And also the unlimited cash delivery link right here is this smaller link right here. Okay, so let's just go down the video here. There's a little bit of videos. Be sure to watch these videos. And then right here, in this part right here, this is an important part right here. So you're going to want to pay attention to, these are all clickable links right here. So you're going to want to make sure you take a look at those. Also, like I said, Martin Ruiz, he has his phone number on here. So if you have any questions and you're trying to figure out you're stuck or you're stumped somewhere, and there's questions that I didn't answer for you on the video or didn't answer while we were talking, anything like that, his phone number's on here. He takes phone calls during the day. So just keep that in mind, my friends. But you want to be sure that you watch all these videos thoroughly and make sure that whatever your question is, make sure it's not answered on these videos or within these clickable links. So make sure that you take a good a tour through this back office. And right here, these are outside programs that you can join, and you can actually kind of use your Best Easy Work website as kind of like a downline builder. Like I'm already a member of Easy One Up, so I didn't remember Easy One Up since the program started. It's now called E1U Life because Easy One Up has a different owner. But if you're a part of these programs, you want to be sure to add your link in there because you could be passing up Somebody might want to join those programs if you're promoting the best easy work program. I'm a $500 member for E1U Life or whatever it's called. I know it has a new owner. Peter Wolfing is no longer the owner of this company. So you should sure if you're a member of Easy One Up or Power Lead System or TechSpot, any programs like that, or Make Money Even program, you want to be sure that you add your link in there. So make sure that you take a tour of this back office, watch all these videos, and they may answer some questions you may have about something that something you're thinking about. Okay, so there's there's the banners for these outside programs, and then there's Martin. He's the founder of the program, and then he just talks about the benefits. Oh, that's his personal experience. Okay, so we're gonna scroll back up here, go back up to the top, and then actually I'm going to stop right there. Okay, so this is the join tab. Okay, so direct deposit. This is where you click on direct deposit here. It is lagging so slow here. Okay, so that don't work. Okay, so here's the direct deposit setup. Click that direct deposit setup right there. Jump out of that one. I need to walk closer to my router because I don't know what's going on with the internet right now. Far away from the internet. Okay, this is the direct deposit setup. Okay, this is direct deposit setup. Best to use Firefox or IE browsers. And then just make sure. Okay, so check this out. There's a one-time $12 direct deposit setup fee to set up your direct deposit, either by credit or debit card. We accept Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. There will be a bank setup delay of 2 to 4 business days. Must be a personal account, not a business account. Must be a U.S. bank account. No prepaid cards like Green Dot or NetSpend. For example, please be accurate on routing and account numbers to avoid payment delays. You may also choose to have checks mailed to you. If a check is returned due to undeliverable address, there will be no second attempt to deliver by mail. After submitting this form, you will be redirected back to your login homepage. Thank you for your submission in advance. Okay, so very, very simple. Put your name, last name, your email, put your phone number, and put your best easy work username or the unlimited cash delivery username. Payment method to you, money order outside the US must be Payoneer for direct deposits, direct deposit US only or Payoneer. And then you're just gonna push agree to the $12 debit card charge. And then if you're gonna use credit card or debit, you select that tab there. And then the card type, if it's Visa or MasterCard, any one of those. And then push the checkbox right there and then send agreement. I already did this, so I'm not going to be able to do it over again. Then it's just going to go on to the next page to set this stuff up. So, like I said in here, just make sure you use the correct routing number and account number to set up your direct deposit, guys, my friends. So that's a very important part here. Under this Best Easy Work video, that's where you get your direct deposit set up. There's also some training in here. This tells you how you qualify for free postcards also. And to qualify for postcards, you just ensure members to with unlimited cash delivery. This program you can join free. You can join as a $50 member and get $25 a member here. And any person that joins at stage 2, regardless of the level, this shows how many postcards can go to the sponsor. Okay, so if they come in at $100, they're going to get 200 and 200. And then the higher that the level goes, the more postcards are going to be sent out. So these higher levels here, like the 3,500 level, you're going to get 1,500 postcards, but you're just going to get 200 leads with that. But that's still a good thing. So to continue to get free postcards, you just want to encourage your members to come in at the stage 2. That's the $100 mark or higher. And remember, you do not have to join at a $50 level. If you want to come in at the $200 level, you don't have to pay that. You can come in and pay the $200. $100, there's like there's a smaller fee, so it almost makes sense to come in at this level or higher. And then the $500 mark, there's a free order bump. If you come in at 500, you get bumped up to 1,000. Come in at 1,000, you get bumped up at 1,500. There's also upgrade bonuses if you come in and upgrade right away. One-time upgrade bonuses when you join this. So otherwise, I just wanted to, kind of share this back office with you guys. You're going to be able to keep track of your deposit. You're going to be able to keep track of your team, people that remember to come in on unlimited cash delivery. And you'll find that here. Go to account and you'll go to your team. I don't want to flip mine over there because it has the email, or does it? Let's click over there. All right, so to find out your team is, just click build report. Okay, yeah, it just gives a username, so that's fine. It has my sponsor, VIP Freedom Team, her sponsor, Howard Rose. I think Howard Rose might be a member. I think he's a member of mine in one of my programs actually. And all right, so I got a $50 member on here, and I got 3 free members on here with this program. So anybody that keeps track of your team, a back office. One of the great features of the cash delivery is you have back office. You keep track of your upgrades, you keep track of your team, and for free. And you get free postcards at stage 2, almost like a special bonus for members that join at stage 2 or higher. The sponsor gets free postcards too with this program. So this is the back office program, my friends. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And remember, be sure to take a tour through the back office thoroughly. And you're more than welcome to shoot me a text message if you have a question. But remember, the owner does put his phone number on the website, and he has a team of people that answer questions and stuff like that during the business hours. So just keep that in mind. You have that for backup for any questions, any FAQ or concerns or anything like that, or if you're stuck somewhere. So I thank you guys for watching, and this is my back office tour and kind of the direct deposit setup for unlimited cash delivery. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.